Compressors and limiters are both types of dynamic processor. But what's the difference? The only real difference is that a compressor usually has a ratio that is somewhere between 1:1 and 10:1, whereas a limiter has a ratio of somewhere between 10:1 and infinity to 1, also known as brick wall limiting. As a result, limiting is a much more aggressive form of gain reduction. Some compressors, such as Final Comp, allow you to increase the ratio up into limiting territory for much more noticeable dynamic control. Click and drag the ratio dial up or down to adjust Final Comp's ratio. When applied to drums, you can hear the difference between a low ratio and a high ratio. Higher threshold and ratio values allow the compressor to reduce the level of those hits without affecting the rest of the drums.